How I made $1 lakh with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best way to make money online. The idea is simple. You promote other people product and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Many people think that making money with affiliate marketing is difficult, but I made $1 lakh with this method. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how I did it. I will break down step by step how affiliate marketing works, how I found the right product, and the strategy I use to get consistent sales. If you are looking for a real way to make money online, watch this video until the end. First is, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you earn a commission for promoting someone else's product or services. Companies have affiliate programs that allow people to sign up, get a special tracking link, and earn a percentage of every sale they refer. For example, if a product costs $100 and the company offer a 30% commission, you make $30 every time someone buy through your link. The best part is that you don't need to create a product, handle customer service, or deal with inventory. How I start with affiliate marketing? I start affiliate marketing with no experience and no money to invest. At first, I made a small commissions, but over time, I learned what works and what does not. My first big breakthrough came when I started focusing on high ticket affiliate program, which pay larger commission per sale. Instead of earning $5 or $10 per sale, I started earning $100, $500, and even $1,000 per sale. The key was to choose the right affiliate product and build a system that generates consistent traffic. Step 1 is choosing the right affiliate program. Not all affiliate programs are equal. Some pay very little, while others offer big commission. I focus on three type of affiliate program. First is high-tech affiliate program that pay larger commissions, and second is recurring commission program that pay every month, and third is digital product and software with high profit margins. One of the best platform for affiliate marketing is ClickBank, which offer digital product with commission as high as 75%. Amazon Associate is another option, but commission are low. Another great platform is Partner Stack, where you can find SaaS product that pay requiring commission. And step second is finding the right audience. The biggest mistake beginners make is promoting a random product to the wrong people. I made sure to find an audience that actually need the product I was promoting. For example, if I was promoting a digital marketing tool, I would target businesses owner and marketers instead of general audience. The more target the audience, the higher the chance of making a sales. The step third is driving free traffic. In the beginning, I did not spend money on ads. I focus on free traffic method. The best free traffic source I used were: first is YouTube. I made simple videos reviewing products and teaching people how to use them. People who found my videos clicked my affiliate links and made purchase. Second is blogging. I wrote blog post comparing different products like best email marketing tools for beginners. These posts ranked on Google and bought in sale. And third is social media. I used Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to post short content and drive traffic to my link. Free traffic takes times, but it build long-term incomes. Every today, I still make money from old YouTube videos and blog posts I create years ago. And step 4 is using paid traffic. Once I start making money, I invest it into paid ads. Facebook and YouTube ads are great for promoting affiliate product, but you need to have the right strategy. I made sure to only run ads for high ticket products so my returns on investment was high. I also built an email list which allow me to follow up with potential customer and make more sales over time. And step 5 is scaling to $1 lakh. The key to making six figure with affiliate marketing is to scale what is already working. Once I found a winning strategy, I doubled down on it. I create more YouTube videos, wrote more blog posts, and invest more in paid ads. I also started promoting multiple affiliate products instead of relying on just once. This this diversification helped me earn more and reduce risk. Common mistake to avoid. Many beginners fail in affiliate marketing because they do not have the right strategy. Some of the most common mistakes include promoting too many different products instead of focusing on one's niche, not creating helpful content and just spamming links, giving up too soon before seeing result. Affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you stay consistent, you can build a profitable income stream. Affiliate marketing changed my life. I went from making nothing online to earning $1 lakh by promoting products I did not even create. The key is to choose the right affiliate program, find the right audience, drive traffic, and scale your effort. If you are serious about making money online, start affiliate marketing today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your question.